Jeez. Welcome back. Make sure you have your math with you because we're going to do some math. Welcome back. Math. Unfortunately, Ellie made her exit. It's not going to be in our Zoom, I'm guessing, this afternoon. Thank goodness, because I needed my computer back. Welcome back. Make sure you have your math binder. Gosh, it's hot in here. We're going to start on math basic facts. Number 9. Basic facts, number 9. What happened to my?
What did we take out?
Basic facts number 9. Hold on, let me pull up my hover cam. Page 31. We're gonna start with. Yeah, page 31. While we wait for more people to get back, y'all can work on basic facts. Let me share my screen. I don't know how many people are gonna be back, but. Can you see it, Daniel? Basic facts, page 31. Page 31. We'll give everybody a few minutes to get back here, then we'll start. More multiplication this week.
I actually already found page 31.
Start on it. As we wait for a few people to get back. Man, it's hot in here. It got hot. As we wait for people to get back. Page 31. Keep your cameras on. I want to see your shining faces. Math. A lot of you are going to be excited for problem solving today. My class, I know, will be. And then in the afternoon, you have more area model math. How exciting. So page 30, let me write it on here so you'll have it. Page 30. 31, my bad, 31. Page 31. Page 31.
Mr. Hernandez, are we doing this along with the class?
Start on it by yourself, Zildjian. So on, I think I was giving last week, on this side, you are going to be dividing, and then this side you will be multiplying. Natalie, you working? Bitha? Y'all working on page 31? Angelina? I don't want to start too soon without having people here. Oh, it's hot. On the bright side, a majority of y'all passed your math test with at least an 88 or 100. Whew.
Well, you did.
If you would like to know what you made, Zildjian, it's really important you pay attention today and the rest of this week, okay? Because you missed math last week. Especially today. If you can get area model, you'll be able to do multiplication to an extent. Got it?
Okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I'll individually send y'all, I guess, your test scores from Friday. If you want them. Where's my chat? Let me see. Nello. Angelina. Curious to see which one some of y'all missed. Let me see. I think some of y'all may have got tricked up on those questions from those word problems. I sent, I think, most of y'all your beans and cheese. A couple of minutes, and then we'll do a few of these together. We're missing still a few people. Charlie's not here. We are on page 31, basic facts. For y'all that are just popping in, page 31. I see y'all working diligently. Good job. Page 31, if you just hopped back in. Give y'all 3 minutes and then we'll go over some of them. Aiden, I'm going to go ahead and fix your name for you.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Natalie, what's so funny? Let me see. Inbox.
I ate a crispy taco for lunch.
I'm a little jealous. I had some grapes.
I ate some toast.
Nice.
From Taco Bell.
I don't really like Taco Bell.
Okay, we're doing our math. I wonder if this works.
It's funny because I'm talking to Nathan.
Hold on.
He's making jokes.
Hold on. This isn't going to work for me. Hold on. I don't think this is going to work for me. Y'all keep working on. I don't even know how this works. On. Oh, y'all probably don't. Y'all probably could care less about this. Keep working on your basic facts. I'll be right back. Be right back. Keep working on that. Beans and cheese. Let's start this. I'm going to call on some of y'all. Miss Gonzalez's class. I'm going to call on some of y'all. Actually, I want to sit. I want to move. Okay. Let's see. Because I love the smartboard. Hold on. Because I love the smartboard. I guess y'all could actually write on here too. Whoa, why is my computer glitching? Don't do that. Don't do that. No. If y'all weren't paying attention, oh, there's 21 of y'all. Perfect. We're on page 31. Share screen. Oh, I need to move it is what I need.
There's like 30 of us. There's like 9 people who just stopped.
Yeah, that probably happens a lot. Oh no, that doesn't go over there. Y'all don't go over there. Y'all stay with me. You go over there because I don't like standing or sitting. I feel like standing. Okay, and I'm gonna move my computer. Don't think I can't see y'all. Y'all know I can see y'all. I want to stand because I like to stand. Okay. Let's see. Once my pen gets going. Oh, it's up there. All right. Shoot. Straighten my papers out. Straighten my papers out. Hopefully this works. Natalie, can you see my pen? If it works, yeah. All right, good. Then you can start us out. What's number 1? What's number 1? Let's go, girlfriend.
84 divided by 12.
84 divided by 12.
84 divided by 12. That equals 7.
Sorry. Sorry, Ellie, I'm moving your friend's toys. So 84. Oh, divided by 12 is what? Sorry. 84
7.
divided 7. We put 84 divided by 7 equals 12. Y'all got that? That's what I can do.
Yeah, and then 12 times 7 is 84.
Thank you, Daniel. Keep going. That was you, right? Keep going. Keep going. Charlie, we're on page 31 of your math. Let's go. Come on. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. So 7 times 12 is 84. I'm not doing all these, so some of it will be homework if you don't finish. 12 times 7 equals 84. What's the next one? Who wants to answer the next one? Gosh, it's hot in here. Who wants to answer the next one? Who can I pick on? Elizabeth from Miss Gonzalez's class. Let's go. 44 divided by 4. What is it?
44 divided by 11 equals 4.
So we got 11. So then 44 divided by, not equal. 44 divided by 11 equals 4. Good job. What about the multiplication side?
4 times 11 equals 44.
4 times 11 equals 44. Okay. And then 11 times 44 equals 44. Bingo. What about number 3? Who's going to do number 3? Emma? I see you at the bottom.
Okay.
What?
4 times 2 is 12.
Uh-huh.
And 24 divided by 12.
And 24 divided by 12 equals 2. And then you get, what's next, Emma?
Oh, what was that? Oh, yeah. 12 times 2 equals 24.
And then 12.
2 times 12 equals
I did it the wrong way. 12 times 2 equals 24. Let's do number 4. Who's going to do number 4? Let me see. Who do I see on here? Madison, you want to do number 4? Don't be shy to speak up, or if you're gonna speak, you think you're gonna get something wrong. It's okay. Okay.
Number 4?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. Number 4, wait 1 second. Number 4 times 11 would be, wait 1 second,
Hint, hint. Anything times 1 is that number itself. So 11 times what would give us 77?
Madison, it's just like 1 times 7.
what?
What she's saying is anything 11 times any number itself becomes that number itself again, is what she's saying. Natalie, help her out with that first part. What goes in this first one where this little circle dot is right here?
Time.
What number?
7.
7.
Wait, that'd be 7.
Yeah, there you go. 7. And you go 77.
I just remembered that.
Okay, 77 divided by 7 equals 11. And then what about multiplying? What can we do for multiplying?
Multiplying.
Those two factors. What two factors? We got 11 and 7.
You could do it whatever way.
Yeah,
You could do it 7 times 11 or 11 times 7.
Yeah, 11 times 7 equals 77. Or you can flip it, or you will have to flip it, times 77. Oh, the next one's easy. Who wants to do the next one? Not Natalie. That's too easy.
Is it 12?
Good job, Bailey. Yeah, 12. And then there's another one because it's the same factor. So then 144 not dividing. 12 times 12 equals 144. And if we could do the area model, we'd be good to go. Bingo. The rest, y'all put those away if you haven't finished. If you finish something early, you can do them later. Got it? Yes, no, maybe so? Okay. Oh, y'all are gonna love problem solving. Problem solving, page 9. I know my class is gonna love it. They're gonna want to do the whole page. They're gonna want to do the whole page.
What page we go on?
I think it was 11. Hold on, let me check.
Page 9.
9, never mind. Page 9.
Page 9, 9A.
9. I was gonna try something real fast. Let's see if I can do this. Page 9. I was gonna pull it up on the board because maybe it would be a little bit easier. Page 9. Sure, there's a few of y'all that want to, or that are gonna finish it. I already know, like Anello probably will. And Natalie. I was gonna look for it this way. Gonna look for it this way. Let's see.
What page is this again?
Page 9. Page 9. Teacher access is what I need. Digital access. The third 6 weeks. It loads. Ah, here it is. Anyways, I don't know. It's not working. Anyways, okay. Natalie, go ahead and read it to us.
Wait, which Natalie?
You.
Okay. There were 52 students that attended a field trip to the Capitol in Austin. Each student had to pay $37 for the bus fare and trip expenses. How much did the 52 students pay for the field trip in all?
I want to make it bigger. Okay, I thought it was gonna make it bigger. So board's freezing up. Okay. So, who wants to do the area model for me? Help me fill it in. Y'all need to turn cameras on. There's too many with cameras on. Who wants to practice? Let's go. Who remembers from last week? Daniel? This is a big number.
There were.
What are we gonna multiply in box number 1? So box 1, 2,
Box number 1.
2, 3.
In box number 1. 30 times 50.
So 30 times 50. I was trying to make it bigger. 30.
And that would be
Drop 2 zeros. What do you get?
1,500.
100. Yep. $1,500. What about box number 2? Who wants to do that one?
Number 2 is 7 times 50.
7 times 50. I'm gonna have to write it outside my box. It's okay if you do too. Equals 350. Box number 3 up here below the 2.
30 times 2.
30 times 2. I'm gonna write it up top because my boxes are small. I won't make it bigger. I got 60. What about box number 4?
4 times 7. Well, actually, it's 2.
I wanted to erase. This is why I don't like. There we go. So 7 times 2.
It's 7 times 2. It's 14.
14. 14. Okay. So, am I done, or do I have to do something with all those numbers? Who remembers what I have to do with all of those?
Add them all.
Add.
Elizabeth, did you already get your answer, or you're trying to answer? Sorry, I didn't see you there. Plus 350. Y'all love the area model. Just wait till I show you the other way, Anello. You'll like that. That's the right answer. Hopefully you got that.
Auntie likes the other way. It's really fun.
Which way? This way? I wrote mine way down here. It's already.
What other way? I don't really know.
I got it correct.
Is that the right answer? We all agree?
Yep, I got it correct too.
Oh, it's right in front of me, but I'm assuming it's right. Bingo! Go ahead and do that number 9B. 9B. Go ahead and try 9B. I'll ask y'all in 2 minutes what we got for 9B. 9B. All right. Let's see. That's my arms up.
Do I send you my answer?
We're about to answer it.
I didn't even get the partial products.
I mean, you can send it to me if you want to privately. Please, privately.
Oh, we were supposed to send it?
You can if you want to. Good job, Angelina. If you want to send it, you don't have to send it because we're about to solve it. Natalie, good. Zildjian, do you have this math?
Yeah, I'm doing the math on piece of paper.
I was just making sure. I wasn't sure if maybe you didn't pick it up or not, but the bottom part, Elizabeth, I know you wanted to answer earlier. You want to help me fill in these boxes down here? I wish I could, let me see if I can make it bigger.
20 times 40 equals 80. And 5 times 4. Wait, what did I say? Hold on.
Hold on, Elizabeth. Hold on. Back to the 20 times 40. You forgot to drop a 0. You got to drop 2 zeros down there. We'd get 800. Okay? Don't forget the 2 zeros. Both of those zeros come and join us for the party. What about the bottom part? You said 40 times
40 times 5 equals 40.
40 times 5 equals, try again, what's not 40? You drop your 0, and then what's 5 times 4? I know you know that one. What's 5 times
20.
20? And then you just drop 20 down here. Sometimes you forget. You always have to drop all those zeros down, okay?
Okay.
And then up top you get, you want to try that one?
5. Wait.
Up here.
20 times 2 equals
You drop your 0, okay? And then you multiply 2 times
40.
40? I think that's what you said. Good.
Yeah, I said 40.
And then what's the bottom box?
5 times 5 times 2 equals 10.
There you go. And then we add all of these up, which I think was 800 plus 200. Tell me all that we're missing last week in my class. Pay attention. Because we're doing it again. Yeah. Except it gets harder. 0, 5, 4, 1. Put my answer. I'm gonna put my answer up here. 1, 0, 5, 0. Should have been what you got. Is that what we got? Thumbs up if that's what you got. This was, let's see, 1, 2. Good, 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 good. Because we're gonna be doing it again in a little bit, in about 20 minutes. Good, good, good. What about the rest of y'all? Angelina? Oh, I saw yours earlier. Emma? Natalie V? Oh, somebody else talked.
I'm still working on this.
Okay. We'll have plenty to do in a little bit, Zildjian, and then we may have to do like a small group so where I can pull you and show you a little more practice. All right. If you ask the class, they'll tell you it's just a lot of practice, right? To get the right answer and know where it goes. Let me see. Are you ready to move on? We got this copied? Yep. I don't want to move it if you don't have it copied. Yep, I see head shaking. I don't want to move too fast either. Tell me if we're moving too fast. Oh, I think Miss Rodriguez said she's going to be in here too. Or somebody from Miss Gonzalez class, I believe. I'm not sure. Let's see. Nope. Our basic facts. Skills number 9. Oh, sweet Larry James. Sweet Larry James.
What page?
Page 61.
51?
Yes, 61. I'll put it up here so you can see. 61.
61 or 51?
61. 61. Yes, 61. Woo, place value. Dominic's not on here, is he? Oh, dare him. Oh, dare him. Let me zoom in on here. How do you do? All right, let's go. I can't believe there's so many of you on the Zoom meeting. Almost everybody came back. That's crazy. Anyways. This one's hard to see, and they didn't shade it in the right way. How many is shaded in? What's our fraction? Ow. Oh, who wants to tell me what the fraction is?
6,300.
I don't think it's 6,300. So check again
I
now.
don't know.
They didn't go all the way to the end, so I think you included too many. I don't know why they did that. They did it weirdly. You're close.
Zero 0.58.
Yeah, 0.58. I don't know why they didn't go all the way to the end.
Yep, 0.58.
So that's our decimal, 0.58. But how many little parts do we have shaded in? Somebody tell me. Y'all just told me part of it. How many are shaded? What?
Like 10?
Up here, how many parts are shaded in the picture? How many little squares?
Oh, 58?
58.
58 out of how many total little squares is there? Penny,
Out of 100?
out of 100. There we go. Woo, the next one. Next one. Ooh, the next one. Who wants to tackle that one? Ooh, do we have holes shaded in here?
Yes.
How many holes do we have shaded in?
2.
We have 2 holes, so I need a big 2 for my fraction by itself, and then I need my fraction. So I've already talked about these 2. How many are shaded in? That's going to be our numerator.
4.
Goes on top. And then how many pieces did I cut that candy bar into total? How many?
100.
Out of 100, how many little parts is there?
10.
10. There we go. So how do I write that as a decimal? I got 2 holes. And then what's behind there?
2.4.
2.4. Yeah, who was that? Elizabeth, good job, Elizabeth. Yeah, 2.4. Good job. There we go. Oh, man, it's hot. What about the next one, number 3? Number 3. Who wants to tell me how many shaded in on number 3 for our fraction?
29.
29 out of how many total pieces?
100.
100. Good, good, good. How do I write that as a decimal? Daniel. How do I write that as a decimal?
That is a decimal would be that is a decimal
Do I have any holes?
be 2.9.
Do I have any holes? Do I have a big number over here?
A big number.
Do I have, yes, do I have a number like up here? I have a 2 in front of my fraction. Do I have any whole pictures shaded in here, Daniel?
No.
No, so we put a 0 and then we put what behind it? How many parts are shaded in?
29.
Yep, 0.29.
Oh, 0.29.
Yes, we don't have any holes shaded in. Ooh, the next one. What's the next one?
1 hole.
So 1 hole, we know that's 1 hole, but how many parts are shaded in? How many total little squares?
100.
100 out of 100. Oh my goodness, it's so hot in here.
100 out of 100. And then there's
Can we just put 1 out of 1? Since
1.
It's like equivalent. Because 1 could just be actually 10 you would put.
That's
You could put it 100 out of 100. You could put it, it would be also 10 out of 10. They're equal to that. That's equal to that. This.
And for the decimal,
These are all equal.
you just put 1.0.
Yeah, or you could put 1.0 if you want to put it like that. Number 5. How many is shaded in on number 5? On number 5, come on.
36.
36 out of how many?
100.
100. Okay, I want to hear somebody else give me the the decimal. The decimal. Who wants to give me the decimal? Let me see. Natalie V. Give me the decimal. Woo. Give me the decimal. Yeah, it is funny. I need the decimal. Natalie V. Natalie. That's what I'm talking about. Angelina, give me the decimal. Come on. Need to keep your cameras on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
0.36.
36. Keep your cameras on. Number 6. Do I have whole shaded in here? Do I have a whole candy bar shaded in on this one? Man, it's hot. Come on, I'm asking you, do I have whole shaded in?
3.
Yeah, 3. 3. And then I shaded in that. What's my fraction mark for this one piece right here? What's my fraction gonna be for that part?
6.
6 out of how many pieces did I cut that candy bar into?
10.
There we go. Who wants to try the decimal? Besides Natalie, who wants to try the decimal? Let me see. Elizabeth, go ahead.
3 wholes
Uh-huh.
and 6.
Yeah, good job. 6 tenths. Good job.
3 wholes and 600.
Not hundreds. Not hundreds. Those are tenths, Natalie. Those are tenths. Because you're going to tell me that 6 tenths is equal to 0.6. That's $6 or $3.60. This is $3.06. That's not the same amount of money. Number 7. Man, it is hot in here.
That's 28 out of 100.
28 out of 100. Bingo! Who's going to do the decimal? Let's see.
Wait, 0.28.
0.28. There you go. Now you got it, Daniel. 0.28. Emma, let's do number. Is that number 8? Number 8.
Okay, there's 4 holes.
Mm-hmm.
8 out of 10, or 8 tenths.
8 tenths. How do I write that as a decimal?
Yeah, but maybe
4.8.
4.8. I don't know. Somebody unmuted themselves and has the TV in the background. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all, how long do y'all think? 9 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer. I don't think it'll take y'all 9 minutes to do the other side. If you have questions, let me know. Set a timer.
What trust about that one?
We are on page, was it 61? If you just joined us, and I'm gonna call on y'all. Keep your cameras on too. I want to see your shining faces. You know, I want to see Miss Gonzalez's shining faces so I can tell her y'all are doing phenomenal. Oh, I can't believe there's so many of y'all on here. I'm so amazed. See your shining faces. 7 minutes, maybe 7.5. 7.5 minutes. Only hot in this room. I don't know why. I don't know why it's only hot in this room. We got questions on anything, or we're good? Mariah, is Mariah here? Or Mariah not here? Dominic, you made it back. We're on page 61. Remember, keep your cameras on. I want to see your shining faces. I want to see y'all working. I see some of y'all working, like Heidi, Elizabeth. I see Anello's probably done. Did you finish basic facts, Anello?
I finished it too.
Of course you did. Well, good for y'all. We get to start math here soon.
Ms. Hernandez, I finished the page 31 multiplication and division.
Okay, perfect. Make sure you finish it because we're going to go over this and then we're going back into our math or concept.
I finished all of the pages.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course y'all did.
We're doing it quick. Usually it takes 2 hours. And then some extra concepts, but now.
We got plenty to do for concepts. Plenty. Well, I think if we draw it out, which I'm not going to draw it out for every problem, but if I draw it out from some problems, we will have.
I am going to the bathroom.
Okay, go quickly.
Oh, did you just put that people are leaving the meeting? I haven't been paying attention to the participants, but there's only 3 people that are missing because we have 31. Actually, 31.
Isn't that crazy? I don't know about y'all, but I still think it's
Yeah,
crazy.
there's 3.
When we started teaching back in March, I was not very optimistic that you could learn through the computer as well as you could in class, but I guess you can.
Why would you not expect it? It's basically the same thing except with not as much help.
Because some people need more help than other people, so I wasn't very optimistic that some people that struggle with something would be able to learn through the computer, but most of y'all have shown that it's possible. That's why you're still on remote learning. So if your parents felt you were struggling with remote learning, they would send you back to school for the most part. Maybe we'll get to
My parents would do that. They would just do that. They would just do it if I got my seat for maybe about an hour or 30 minutes. But I would never do that. I'd just be like there for 1 minute because I don't really take that long.
I have 2 minutes. I don't know how many of you are actually still working or not, but.
Christina Barreca left the meeting.
I know, that's fine. Some come in and out, that's fine. Actually, Participants. Let's see. There we go. Oh, who came in? Oh, Miss Rodriguez is here. It's like, who is dare leaving my Zoom meeting? It's our favorite part of the day.
Oh. So do we have all of Miss Gonzalez's?
I think we have almost everybody. Was there somebody specifically?
There's like
Yes.
3 more people, I think.
Andrew and Jordan.
I know Jordan's here. I don't know if Andrew's back this afternoon.
Oh, okay. I see him. Well, his screen is off.
Andrew, turn on. Oh, right there. Yeah, Andrew and Jordan, turn on your screens. So Miss Garcia, Miss Rodriguez can see you. So we're working on skills right now, Miss Rodriguez, and then we're
Okay.
going to our 2x2 multiplication again. So,
Okay.
I don't know. Do you want to work with them in a group, or do you want to just hang out in the meeting?
Yeah. I can break out with them. Break them out with me. And yeah. And it's skills number 9, right?
Yes, skills number 9. He had already finished half of it, and they had half to do.
Okay. Okay, we'll work on the rest of it. Break me out with both of them.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Jordan and Andrew, I'm gonna put y'all in a room with Miss Rodriguez, okay? Y'all may have finished. I don't know. Let's see. Assign Andrew.
It looks so weird seeing like the school roof again. I know it's just a roof, but it just sounds weird. I don't even remember what it even looks like.
When I've opened those rooms, y'all two go back or go into those rooms. I know it's nostalgic. It brings back memories.
Yeah, I remember that. I wonder if it's still hanging there. Because once, it's not really important, but once happened is that me and one of my friends, his little brother was in latchkey, and then one of my other friends, Noe, he threw up. I think it's some kind of like little slime thing, and then it got stuck there, and it's been like there for like about, I don't know if it's still there, but it's been there since I was gone, which is like, it's been there for like 3 years.
All right, let's go over number 9. Besides my normal people that answer, Anello, Natalie, I don't want y'all answering like this second. Emma, who else can help me with this? Ooh, let's see. Andrew, make sure you join that breakout room with Miss Rodriguez. Elizabeth, and keep your cameras on. Keep them on. Go ahead, Elizabeth.
65 over 100.
65 over 100. Good job. What about the decimal?
0.65.
Bingo, you got it, girl. Good job. 65. It's so hard in here. Somebody's outside playing. 65. The next one. Let me see who's gonna do the next one. Vida, let's see the next one.
There's, I think,
How many holes do we have?
4.
4, and then what's our fraction?
4 out of 2 of 10.
And then 4 holes and then 2/10. Good job. You want to try the decimal? Let's try it. How many holes do we have?
A 4.2.
There we go. Yeah, good job. 4.2. Number 11. Let's see. Daniel, where did Daniel go? He went to the restroom, I'm guessing. Are you there, Daniel?
Yes.
Go ahead. What's number 11?
Number 11 is, it's 50 out of 100.
What is our decimal?
And decimal is 0.50.
0.50. Bingo. Ooh. The next one,
Yeah.
Natalie B. Because I want to pick on you. Natalie B. Just when I said I wasn't going to let you answer. What's number 12? Natalie B. Natalie B.
I'm here.
What's number?
Is it V or V? Because I cannot.
55.
55? Yep, 55. Out of what? Out of how many total parts?
100.
And then you got what?
0.55.
0.55. Good job.
Sometimes whenever you talk, it's kind of like silent, but then it goes back up.
It may be because I'm far away. I don't know. It could be. Could be because I'm further away. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, let's see. I don't know who to pick. Who's DBA? Dominic? That's you? No, that's not Dominic. Who's DBA? Who's DBA? I don't know who that was. Does anybody know who a DBA is? Miss Gonzalez's class? Who was on here earlier this morning? I don't know who was on.
Like, because I saw that person. Was it like the person that was unmuted in the beginning of the Zoom meeting?
I'm not sure if that's who it was. I don't know. Number 13. Anello, what's number 13?
Number 13 is 2 holes and 9 points, and then 2 points.
Yep, and then 2.9. Good. Oh, it looks like what's this? Oh, it's Spanish though. Who have I not called on? Andrew, you should have been in the breakout room with Miss Rodriguez. Sophia, you want to help me with number 14?
It's 5 holes and then 7 over 10 and then 5.7.
15. Let's see. Aiden, are you there? We can call on you. Go ahead, Aiden. Help us with number 15. What did you get for your fraction? I'll give you a hint. How many total parts are shaded in there, Aiden? Have you counted, Aiden? How many total parts are shaded in? Ooh. Aiden, how many are shaded in?
Are you guys on 15?
Yes, 15. How many are shaded in there?
That's my
75. 75.
75. I think that was Aiden, but 75 out of 100. What's the decimal?
0.75.
0.75. Good. Let's see. Heidi, are you there? I see your math. I don't see you. Sorry, these are like the memes. Elizabeth. I see you. Let's do 16, Elizabeth.
Okay. 60 over 100.
Good, good. Oh, not 600.
And for the decimal, 0.6.
0.6. Bingo. All right, we have this because I'm gonna erase it. Oh, we were making good time. Maybe we are. Gonna erase. Say bye-bye, decimals. That was a lot. Okay. 2 by 2 multiplication again. With the area model. There's a slideshow. There's a slideshow that I'm going to show you, I believe. Let me see if I can find it. 2 by 2. Actually, we'll start with this. You already know. Oh, I was like, why are there so many people over there? Area model. Just a refresher.
Writing's not that easy, but
Oops.
Grammarly can help.
Oops, I need to share my
This
screen.
sentence is grammatically correct.
Can y'all see the video?
That commercial, I always hear that commercial all the time. That's the only commercial I hear.
Can you see it, Eva?
Yeah.
Okay. I know it's like they put on YouTube.
The farmer was planting green beans, 14 rules of 15. The area model is how he thought about the number of plants he got. First he multiplied 10 by 10 and wrote 100 with his pad and pen. Then he multiplied 10 by 5 for 50 more plants coming alive. Then 10 times 4 equals 40. And just the bottom corner was empty. So he multiplied 5 by 4 and ended up with 20 more. Split up the place values in multiplication. Multiply the tens to get the foundation. Then the other place values get multiplied. Add the partial products up and check your work twice. Then the farmer planted black beans in 22 rows of 15. To find out how many plants he had, he drew the area model on his sketch pad. He did 20 times 10 and wrote 200 down. Then 10 times 2 and 20 is what he found. 50 times 5 was 100 and then 5 times 2 equaled 10. He added 200, 120, and 10. The sum was 330. He checked it again. So there are 330 black beans and 22 rows of 15. Split up the place values in multiplication. Multiply the tens to get the foundation. Then the other place values get multiplied. Add the partial products up and check your work twice. 90 degrees, put your hands in the air with me.
That's not what we're talking about. Okay. So we ready for area model? We're gonna be doing some
Yes, we are.
page 107 in your math binder. 107 in your math binder. We're gonna do a few area model problems, and then we're gonna learn the big kid way. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing.
Excuse me. I don't have the right I don't have the right math binder.
What do you mean you don't have the right math? You don't have the new math?
No.
But probably for this grading period.
Could be our second grading period. Okay.
Did you know that I do a rectangle?
Hold on. So, hold on. Hold on. How have you been completing your math with Miss Gonzalez?
I usually just write on a piece of paper.
Okay, you can do that right now. That's fine with me, okay? So have your math. That goes for everybody. Y'all may need your math journals anyway, so have them nearby. So yeah, do your math on a notebook if you don't have this math, which is only a few, I think. I need cameras on for this because here in a few minutes we are gonna be doing the hard way. If you also, I guess before we start, if you have a color pencil, like something other than your pencil, maybe like a red color pencil or a green color pencil or something nearby would be very helpful for a little bit.
I have a green pen. Can I hurry and go get it?
Have it nearby. Yeah, have it nearby. This isn't gonna be for what you need right now, but we'll need it in a second. Are we ready?
Wait, what? What do we need?
I said if you have like a different color, like a color pencil, it can be any color of color pencil, it doesn't matter, but we may need it.
Okay, I have a whole bunch.
Okay, yeah, just have them there. We're not gonna need them right now for area model, but when we do, I figured out what the name was of my story. It was Johnny Appleseed. Who wants to give me two numbers to multiply here? We're gonna do a few of these area models. Who wants to give me two? What page? Can you see it? Page 107. Page 107 of your math binder. Thumbs up when you have it. I know, I think it was Dylan, right, Dylan? You said you've been doing it on paper? Okay, that's fine. Keep doing it on paper. Yes.
I'm just drawing it out on a piece of paper.
Where's your math binder at? Page 107.
Page is that?
107. Let me write it up here. 107. 107. Whew. And tomorrow, let me let y'all know, Miss Gonzalez's class is going to be crazy. I think Miss Dellinger will be, I don't know if she's going to be in the classroom watching me with y'all or if she's going to be on Zoom watching y'all, but she's going to be in our meeting tomorrow around 1 for math, okay, for a little bit. We're going to work really hard, right? So do very well. If we do very well during that time and people are participating, keeping your cameras on is a big one when she's in here. So if your camera's not on now, I would put it on. I will plan something for y'all tomorrow afternoon that's fun. I guess I don't know how I'm going to plan it, but I'll plan something fun. And if you're in my class specifically, maybe Santa Claus will come drop off a nice little surprise or something for you one of these days.
What time would I have recess?
Huh? What was that, Andrew?
What time is recess?
At 1:45.
Wait, and area model is really fun.
Okay, yeah, area model is fun. Who wants to give me two numbers? Kind of not two.
Wait, how about 20 and 20 and 14?
We'll do 20. We'll do 21. We need something with it too. So 21 times 14 for this problem right here. This is going to go in this box right here. Who can tell me how to break apart 21 into something? We want recess at 1:45. We've got to do at least 3 of these, and y'all need to be participating. I'm not going to reward you with recess. Elizabeth, go ahead.
20 and 1.
20 and then 1. And Anello, I know these boxes look like what you told me the other day. They look yours look like normally. It's still the same.
Except they're like more stretched out than on top.
This is the same thing we were doing last week. I know these boxes are smaller, but it's okay. What about 14? How can I break apart 14? Go ahead, Elizabeth.
10 and 4.
10 and 4.
4.
Oh, good job. Let me put my numbers here. These are for me. Y'all don't have to write these numbers in those little corners. In box number 1, that's why I'm writing these numbers. In box number 1, what am I going to multiply? Who can tell me? Angelina, go ahead.
20 times 10.
20 times 10. Oh, let me check. Let me check to make sure somebody remembers. Elizabeth, how many zeros am I going to drop down on this box number 1? How many zeros am I going to? There you go, 2. I want to make sure. So I got rid of them, and then 2 times 1 is what?
2.
2, okay. And box number 2. Zildjian, make sure you're paying attention. In box number 2, what am I going to multiply? Somebody can come off mute and tell me, Angelina or Dylan. Dylan?
4 times 20.
Bingo, good job. Yeah, 4 times 20. So 20 times, oops, 20 times 4. I don't know if Miss Gonzalez was making y'all write all of this in the box, but I was making mine write all of them in the box. And what is that, Dylan? Twenty times 4. Angelina?
80.
80. Oh, I wrote it in a different color. 80. Box number 3. What am I multiplying in box number 3?
10 times 1.
I was looking for somebody else to call, but 10 times 1 plus 10. And then
And box number 4 is 1 times 4.
1 times 4.
And that would be 4.
Bingo. We got to add all these up. What do we get when we add them up?
Well, my answer was 294.
See, I'm not good. I'm going to do them one at a time. Man, it is so hot in this room, and I don't understand why. Plus 10. Normally, it's not this hot. Oh, not times. What am I doing? Who dare leave my Zoom meeting?
Raylan.
This is the best part of the day. This is the best part of the day. I don't know about Miss Gonzalez's class, but we love our afternoon math classes.
Area mom is my favorite.
ELAR though. I don't really like it as much because it's longer class. It's 2 hours and 50 minutes. But I like it. I like the subject.
What, math?
No, ELAR. I said I don't really like it because it's 2 hours and 40 minutes.
Not as fun. Sometimes, especially when it's like poetry. Ugh, that was bad. Who wants to give me a problem for the next one to do?
Me.
Not super big though, not super big.
Okay.
I'm gonna erase this. Go ahead,
What
Nat.
about 28 times 18?
28 times 18, okay. Whew, okay, how are we gonna break it apart? How are we gonna break it apart? And Zildjian, we always want a 0 back here, Zildjian, on both our top number and our side number there. Madison, do you have your arm up? I can't tell if you have your arm up or what we're doing over there. You're on mute? You're muted still. I can't tell if she's trying to unmute or not mute. I think she's trying to unmute. I can't unmute you. I don't know what. Ugh. Or she left. Oh, she left. Dominic! Where are y'all at? Dominic? No, she turned her camera off. Angelina, I saw you. I think with your hand up. Let's break apart 28. How dare you?
28.
28. How dare you leave my Zoom meeting?
Why is there a meeting sometimes?
Because they probably think I'm not going to notice because there's like 30 million kids in here, but trust me, I notice. And it makes a pinging noise. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it makes a pinging noise for me.
Yeah.
What about 18? What are we going to break it apart into?
Yeah, because I remember my cousin telling me, she's like, my friends got like in trouble for some reason because they all left the Zoom and they thought the teacher wouldn't know, but then she got like a signal, like a ring.
Yeah, y'all probably can't hear, but I can hear. It makes like a little ping noise.
Yeah, it makes a beep when someone leaves or joins.
Yeah, I don't know if you know, if you can hear it, but it does for me. What about Vida? How do we break apart 18?
18?
Yeah.
10 and then 8.
10 and 8. And also, I want to tell you on Friday's test, I don't think I've done it yet. If you're not comfortable with the way that I'm probably going to introduce it later on today, it's okay to use the area model on your test for Friday. Got it? If I want you to have the right answer. And I know learning the standard algorithm is not easy for most of y'all. Got it? So as long as you can do the area model, I'm okay with that. Yeah, you can stay on here. I don't know why. Okay, thank you. Box number 1. What do we want to put in box number 1? Y'all leaving my Zoom. I can hear y'all leaving my Zoom. I'm coming back in.
Jordan.
What
Did
goes
they
in?
just exit or did they go in? Whoever did that.
Oh, I guess
That was Jordan. He left.
let me close the breakout rooms. Hold on. Close the breakout rooms. Come on, we're gonna want a break here soon. Let's fill this one out. What are we gonna put in box number 1 for this problem? Oh, it's almost our break time.
Box number 1 is going to be 10 times 20.
10 times 20, okay. And then
that equals
how much? How much does that equal? 10 times 20 equals what? What's 10 times 20?
200.
200. All right, box number 2. What goes in box number 2?
Box number 2 is going to be 20 times 8.
20 times 8 equals what?
160.
160. I think that was Zildjian. Good job, Zildjian. Yeah. Remember, if you're having a hard time, drop that 0, cross it out, and then multiply what's left. You get 160. Trust me, it helps. Box number 3. Anybody? Go ahead. Unmute yourself and just tell me.
10 times 8.
10 times 8 gives us
80.
80. Okay. And then box number 4. Box number 4.
8 times 8.
Equals, what's 8 times 8?
64.
64.
Okay. So 8 times 8 is 64. Okay. Gotta add. 200 plus 160. What did y'all get for this problem? Y'all aren't answering
I
it.
got 500.
I got 504.
Yeah, check that again.
Well, I got
I got 404.
Check that again.
I got 504
Yes, that should be right. 504.
because there's a 4 in there.
Yeah, Natalie, check that one again. Ooh, who dare leave my meeting and come back? 504?
What page we're on?
Page 107.
107?
Yes.
Yes. 107.
Let's do, come on, y'all want that break. Let's do one more. Give me 2 numbers to multiply.
24 and 26.
There we go. Yeah, 26 and 24. So 24 times. So I'm gonna set it up and then I want y'all to tell me what to do, what goes where.
What are the next 3 ones going to be like hard ones when we're done with our break?
No, we're gonna go and we're gonna learn the standard algorithm. I'm gonna introduce it. I don't expect you to probably get it very much or use it on Friday, but I'm gonna introduce it. I need to introduce it so that some of y'all that, like I know Anella will probably get it, Angelina by the end of the week will probably get it, Natalie, Emma, and some of y'all other ones, y'all may get it as well too. So,
Yeah, because I kind of got it, but I just have trouble. I got it, but I just have trouble with anything higher than 30.
Angelina, did you want to answer? Yeah, I saw your hand up.
No, I was gonna say that my cousin, she was teaching me algorithm weight over the weekend because she's in middle school and on her area model.
So I know a lot of y'all will forget the area model by the end of the year and won't need it. Some people will still need it, but this is what I'm talking about, Anella. We're gonna do it this way. Angelina may already know how to do that, or she's kind of learning.
I have my answer. Can we please get to the question already?
Daniel, come on, help me fill it in there. Let's go.
I got my answer. 1 times 20, 400, and then 6 times 20, 120.
It goes 400, and then 6 times 20.
120.
20. Okay, what's next?
And then there's 4 times 20, 80.
Next.
And then there's 4 times 6, 24.
And 24. Okay, we gotta add these.
Okay, so adding them. I'm just going to add them. Wait, my head.
Because in 5th grade, I can tell you, they're not gonna want you doing area model for every single problem. So.
I already know the answer.
624.
Yes.
Shake of the head. So let me shake of the head. 624. Or thumbs up reaction if you're not shaking your head, so that I know. I see Angelina good. I see Elizabeth. I saw Daniel.
44 or 624?
It's 24. It's right here, the circle number in red. Hello. Natalie.
I got it.
All right. I see Vida. I see Heidi. I see just her thumbs. Dylan, you have a question? Or you got it? You got it? Okay. We will have our break until I'm going to leave the Zoom on because I leave my Zoom on because then y'all never come
Can
back.
we talk to each other?
Yes, you can talk to each other. Y'all need to be back, or if you do leave, you need to be back at 2:06, but I'm leaving the Zoom on.
Okay.
2:06. I'm leaving the Zoom on. It is 9? Yes, 9? I don't know who that is. Is that Dylan?
And then bring down the 5.
Bring down the 5. Who is that answering? Adam? Okay, good. So that's our answer. Look how many. That's how many total pebbles Johnny Appleseed had in his boot at the end of his workday. He took off his other boot, I guess, after he ate his pizza. Some of these we're gonna draw. The next one, we're gonna draw. We're gonna sketch it. You all ready?
Can we use the area model?
No, we cannot use the area model. No.
I don't like sketching because it's really hard.
I know. That's why I'm trying to pick the ones that are smaller.
I just realized that I did the boxes too small on my paper.
What do you mean on your paper? Make them a little bit bigger next time around.
I think she's talking about the sketch.
I'm trying to think. Hold on. I'm trying to think if I want to do this. I hate sketching because it's just not, to me, it's not as useful. But, okay. this number is always going to be your number of rows. So let me put that right here so you know. We'll sketch it out. Rows. We're only going to sketch a few of these. So y'all bear with me. We're not going to sketch every single one of these because it gets too hard. So how many rows going down do I have here? So I have how many? How many do I have? It's going to get messy. Somebody tell me. Natalie?
10.
Not 10. How many's right here on this problem?
18.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my goodness. 12, 13. I'm just squeezing these in here. 1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You should have 18 going down. Oh, this is where it starts getting messy. And how many is in each row? This is gonna take forever. Should have picked a smaller one. How many is in each row right here? What's our other number? Right here.
1.
Nope. How many?
21.
21. So let me give you.
That's what I said.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, I thought you said 10. I'm going to give you a hint. I'm not going to draw 11 more dots. I'm going to put a 10 and then I'm going to put a 1. Does that represent 21?
Yes.
Yes. So that's what I'm going to do for every single one of these. Otherwise, mess. This is a mess. Do the best you can. Try to make it look decent. Dylan, I know you don't.
How much are you putting right there?
Hold on. I'm adding another 10. So this right here is 21. So another 10 and then a dot. A pretzel stick and then a Skittle, as my class would say. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ms. Hernandez?
Yes. No. We got a question. What is going on here? Now I'm messing it up. Somebody had a question. Zildjian, I don't know who that was. Select.
It was Gabe.
I'm Gabe. Select none. Why isn't it working? What else? 1, 2. Why is it doing it? Because if I exit out, it's going to delete everything. No, I don't want to delete. Drag the box and select. No, quit moving. I hate this smart board right now. Select none. I don't want to select anything. I want it to stop. I want it to stop. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Gabe, you had a question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I need one more somewhere. Right here. All right. Do I have enough 10s? We should have enough 10s to regroup. Whew. How many of these 10s can I regroup into something? How many 10s does it take to make 100? Would probably be a better question answer to say.
10.
10. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, There's 10. Let's do another 10. Let me use. Ugh, it's all nasty. I absolutely hate sketching. Let me do another 10. So 1, 2. I know y'all hate sketching too. Woo! Do another 10. No. Sketching is the worst.
It's because you're on actually on the board. We're just on paper.
It's hard. I don't. The only reason I'm showing you this is because they give you a problem on your test that looks like this. That has like a sketch and they're gonna ask you what is the product. So what is it? You know what? I wouldn't be making that sketch. It's just you gotta understand.
Or can you just do a separate algorithm?
Well, I'll show you the problem in a second, but I wanted to show you how to sketch at least one of these. So if you're having
That is nasty.
come on.
No,
Pencil. Come on.
no.
Everybody needs pencils. Okay. Let's see. So I've got 4 left over, right? Do I have enough ones to make some 10s? I think I do, right? I'm looking to see how. Are you ready? Do I have enough ones? How many ones do I put in there? That makes it 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. How am I getting that? Let me see. 8, 16. Did I not put enough? I'm lost. This is why I don't sketch either. 378. Where's 378? I don't have 378. Oh, I only put 17. No wonder. That's why.
Miss Hernandez,
Yes.
we can't see the bottom.
What bottom part?
Like under 210.
I can't see B. I can't see it.
You can't see it at
No, I cannot see B. I can't.
Hold on. I'm trying to move it because I forgot.
Oh, that's how I got it wrong. There's 2 ways I did it. There's one of the ways that was like that, except I wouldn't add the 0 because I wouldn't do the top. You see this? See the 21 there? I would add it with this 168, but I would only add it
I
with
can't see B.
I would only add it with the number 1 if I did. So I'd get 2,
I
and then
cannot
I
see
would get
B.
1,000. But no,
What can you not see, Jordan?
what I was doing.
See B.
You can't see anything I write in the picture or anything?
What's this sound?
I cannot
A
see
B.
B.
Answer B.
Yeah, I can't see answer B.
Anything I've written. Can any of y'all see anything I've written on there?
I can.
What do you mean you can't see it? You can't see like the letter?
Yeah, I don't know what you can't see. Dylan, pay attention. What can you not see, Jordan? I don't know. Jordan, I don't know what you can't see because everybody else says they see it. I did move some of my tins up top, but you should have, do we have 378 in our sketch? Oh my goodness, some of you are about to be pulled out of this room. This is ridiculous. Do y'all see 378 in our sketch?
Yeah.
Yes.
But not that much. I see it a little.
I know, y'all can barely see. Sorry, that's why I didn't want to sketch it. But y'all can see I have 300.
No.
What can y'all, I don't know what y'all can't see. I don't know, because some people say they can see it. Natalie B, you can see what I've sketched? And you can
I
see,
can see I can see what you sketch.
okay. And then you can see when I multiplied with Johnny Appleseed, I got 378 too, right? And I bet you if I did the area model, I would too, correct? So I'm gonna erase it. We're gonna do Johnny Appleseed on C. Got it?
I got it now. I kind of understand. I was doing it wrong by the way I was doing it was, you see how there's 3 numbers?
Uh-huh.
I would only multiply it with the first number that would have shown, not the last, the first number. I would add what I got for the thing. I would add the first 2 numbers of it and then add it to the very first one. But I'm supposed to add it to the first 2 there instead of actually. There's supposed to be a 0 there, but you don't really have to add it because you can just drop it down.
All right, let's do Johnny Appleseed. We need to draw our boot. What numbers are gonna be in our boot? Who can tell me?
2, 4, and 7.
Bingo! Johnny Appleseed had a long day at work. He decides to dump his boot or tip it upside down to see how many pebbles he has in his one boot. What are we gonna multiply first? You can tell me. Who remembers? 7 times what?
4.
7 times 4. What's 7 times 4?
28.
8. And then we put our 2 up here, right? Now we're gonna multiply 7 times 2. What do we get?
14.
That's 2?
16.
16. Ooh, what does Johnny Appleseed need to put down before he can get that slice of pizza? What does he need?
What time we leave?
What does Johnny Appleseed need before he gets his
A
pizza?
plate.
4 minutes until class is over.
Oh, we got like 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Okay, so we don't need this 7 anymore because I put my plate down. Now we got to get our slice of pizza. Ooh, man, I love pizza. I don't know about y'all.
Yeah, I like pizza.
Pizza.
All right.
Food in the Hotel Road.
Mr. Hernandez,
Yes.
I have to leave. I have a dentist appointment.
Okay, that's fine. I think you're going to be back with me tomorrow. So use the same Zoom link or the meeting ID. Got it? And I'll see y'all at 8. Around 8:05. Not everybody. Nope, not everybody else. We're still working. Let's multiply. What are we going to multiply in our pizza or our triangle? What 2 numbers first?
1 and 4.
So 4 times 1 is, what is it?
4.
4.
We left multiply 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is what?
2.
2.
Man, this is bad. And now we gotta add. Let's add. What do we get when we add these together? 8. Gotta carry my 1, 0, 4, 408. Is that what we get? Right?
Yes.
Let's do 1. I think we'll probably have time for at least 1 more. Maybe 2 more. Let's go to E or D. I might have y'all try a couple by yourself for homework, but you can use the area model on the other one. Let's try E. I gotta make, oh, my paper's all cut. That's a 5 there. I gotta draw my boot. Johnny Appleseed had a long day at work. He decided to take off his boot and dump it upside down to see how many pebbles he had in his boot. What am I gonna multiply first? Turn on your cameras. The day is almost over. Keep them on. What am I gonna multiply first? You are gonna want to leave. Let's go.
9 and 5.
5. So 9 times 5 is what?
45.
5. Okay, and I carry my 1. So now I'm gonna multiply 9 times 2. What is that?
18.
18 plus 4. What is it? 18 plus 4 is what?
22.
22. I see some of you are kind of picking up on this already. Whew. What does Johnny Appleseed need before he grabs that scrumptious slice of pizza?
A plate.
Plate. Let's put his plate down. Now he can go and grab that slice of pizza. Anello, are you working these out ahead? You trying to go ahead, or you're still working with us?
I'm doing ahead.
Okay. Let's see if you get E right. What are we gonna multiply besides Angelina? This is a 5 over here. What two numbers am I gonna multiply first in my pizza, my triangle?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. There you go. So 5 times 1 is what?
5.
5. And then 2 times 1 is what?
2.
Some of y'all already did this and didn't tell us or not. We all see the time.
4.
So we get 5. 475.
Yep. 4.
We do the next question F.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and do the next question.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
Don't do it.
It hurt.
Who DBA is?
I don't know.
I don't know who that is. It's got to be. It's somebody from Miss Gonzalez's class. It's not somebody from
What
mine.
time we leave?
There's like people with weird names. I honestly don't know if they're supposed to be here or something.
Let's do the next one, and then you'll have one for homework. I'll only give you one for homework. We need a boot. Let's do a boot. What am I gonna multiply first? That's just homework.
2 and 1.
2 and 1. What do we get, Elizabeth?
2.
2, and then 2 and 1 again, and we get 2. What does Johnny Appleseed need before he can get that slice of pizza?
A plate.
Plate. Now he can go and get that slice of scrumptious pizza because he's starving. Who wants to walk me through this next part? Anello.
Next part,
Yeah.
and then it's 2 times 22 equals 44.
So 2 times 2 gives you 4, and then 2 times 2 again gives you 4, which will give you 2, 6, 4, right? Agree? Y'all have
I'm
one.
trying to write it down because I'm having a hard time writing it down because I got a bigger binder than I was probably supposed to. I switched it with my math.
Okay, y'all are gonna have one problem for homework. Y'all are gonna have oh, was that the last one? Oh, I skipped one. No, that was the last one. What's the backside? What's the backside? Is there more? Page 1.
There's another page on the other side.
What is it? Is it 109?
Yes, ma'am.
What about 1B?
What time
Since
we
we're
leave?
doing both.
Hold on. Do we have this copied down so I can tell you what problem you have for homework? Yes? Okay. I want you to try and do the boot and the pizza. I want you to try to do the boot and the pizza.
Well, I already got it down, but which
You can work as many as you want on the. You can do this whole page, if you want to, front and back. If you want to. I don't. Actually, Anello, I take that back. I take that back. If you're gonna do any extra math, only on this page, Anello. Got it? Everybody, I want you to try H at home today. If you forget how to do it this way, I want the area model drawn in here. Got it? But I want you to try, I want you to try the boot and then the pizza. I want to make your pizza so you can already
I
know.
can do all of them, or do I just do H?
You can do the left side. So H, I, J would be fine with me. Anello. I want to see everybody try at least H tomorrow when I'm going to ask you during math before we start or during basic facts. Elizabeth,
So which one is it? What page is that?
109? 109.
What time we leave?
Well, I see G instead of I. I see G instead of H.
Do H, Anello, on the next side. I don't know why. It says H.
What time we leave?
We're about to leave, Jordan. Hold on. Elizabeth, you had a question?
Yes, I was gonna ask if I could do the whole page.
You can do the left side. So H, oh, that's why. Because H, I put it in the
Oh,
middle.
it's the same page except it doesn't show the top one.
Now, if you want to do y'all wait. Goodness, Miss Gonzalez's class. I need to wait.
Wait,
If you're trying to do extra, you can do this left side right here. But don't go any further than that because then you'll be too far along. But I want everybody to do it and try it. Got it?
okay, wait. But do you like your pizza cold?
No. Miss Gonzalez's class. I think, did she tell you you are going to be back tomorrow again with me?
I don't know.
On the email, she said I'll be out on Monday and Tuesday.
I think you're going to be back with me again tomorrow. So use my Zoom link or the meeting ID, and then I will see y'all tomorrow morning again. Got it? And remember, we do well tomorrow afternoon during math. I will reward y'all with something. I don't know how. Y'all have H for homework. I'll see y'all too.
This is so easy. I'm already doing. I already finished.
Bye.
Bye.
See you Tuesday, 8:05.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.